Saya Susan Febriantina, dosen sarjana terapan Administrasi Perkantoran Digital Fakultas Ekonomi Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Saya merupakan dosen pembimbing 1 dari mahasiswa yang bernama Sulis Saumi Fatin dengan judul skripsi Analisis Pelaksanaan Layanan Help Desk Sistem Informasi ASN pada Badan Kepegawaian Negara. Berikut pemaparan penelitian tersebut.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Sulis Saumi Fatin. I'm from Diploma for Digital Office Administration 2019. Now I want to presentation about my thesis entitled Analysis of Implementation of ASN Information System Helpdesk Services at Badan Kepegawaian Negara. Next. Research background. Along with technological developments, we are currently required to keep up with these developments by modernizing in various fields, namely utilizing computer technology such as online-based information system or application or website. Each agency has an information system that is used to manage an activity or job. The use of information systems must be well socialized to users of the system. Basically, the use of an information system that has been understood can be used as much as possible, but sometimes in its implementation there are still problems related to the application or website's use, the internet network, and user of the information system. Information system can be applied to various fields, one of which is in the service sector. Next, pre-research. Based on brief interviews and observation made, there are still obstacles in implementing the CISN helpdesk service. These obstacles are the lack of responsibility or self-awareness of service providers in answering existing questions. This is because other jobs must also be done by service provider employees. That way, this can cause tickets to pile up and the response time given is still not fast responding. The following are the result of the research questionnaire that has been done. Next, research purposes. First, analyzing the socialization of ISN information system helpdesk services at Badan Kepegawaian Negara and the procedures for its use. Second, analyzing the implementation of ASN information system helpdesk services at Badan Kepegawaian Negara, especially at the ASN PPSI Directorate. And the last one is analyze the obstacles related to the implementation of the CISN helpdesk service at Badan Kepegawaian Negara. Next, the concept studied. First, description of service. Second, characteristics of good service. Third is electronic service quality. 4, ESQ dimensions. 5, description of helpdesk services. And the last one is types of helpdesk services. Next, previous literature review. Efektivitas pelayanan helpdesk izin usaha online single submission OSS by Winanda Salasiah and Jamiah 2021. The results showed that the quality of the helpdesk services had provided better and more advanced improvements and had been implemented effectively. However, there are still inhibiting factors such as system integration, which is still lacking in system, and limited use of OSS, but service providers are making full efforts so that this can be optimized. Next, place and time of research. This research was conducted at Badan Kepegawaian Negara. The research time is 6 months, which is calculated from the February to July 2023. And this is a timeline table for research conducted. Next, research methods. Research design. The study used a qualitative research method with a case study approach. Data search and research sample. Sources of data in the study were interview informants. The sampling technique used purposive sampling by taking a sample of 5 people. Data collection technique. Data collection techniques in the study are using observation, interviews, and literature study. Data validity technique. In the study, researchers use triangulation of data collection techniques and triangulation of sources. Data analysis technique, based on the opinion of Miles and Haberman, states that there are 4 steps in analyzing data, including data collection, data reduction, data presentation, and conclusion, by Kutsia 2021. Next, participant description. This is a table of interview participants. Next, results and discussion. Socialization of CIS and helpdesk services and procedures of its use. According to the observation that have been made, the researchers observed that the socialization of the CIS and helpdesk service and also the guidelines for its use have been socialized quite well. Seen from the outreach activities to regional offices and the systems, often easy to understand manual for users. According to the results of the interview, it was said that training or technical guidance had been held for service providing employees, and this made employees better understand the use of the CS and helpdesk service. Socialization aims to know and understand something that someone doesn't yet know. Amberwati et al. 2023. Second, implementation of the IAS and information system helpdesk service. In the overall implementation of the CISN helpdesk services activities, it can be said that it has been quite optimal. Based on the observation of researchers, this helpdesk service is easy to use. Based on the interview results, it was said that the features and appearance of the CISN helpdesk service were good and easy to understand. Apart from that, there have been no problems regarding the infrastructure and systems used so far. Research conducted by Prayanti et al. 2020 state that system quality significantly influence information system user satisfaction. Next, obstacles in the implementation of the CISN helpdesk service. Based on the results of observation, the researchers that there were obstacles in the implementation of AIS and information system helpdesk services at the PPSIS and Directorate, namely answers that had not been done quite quickly. This is because there are still other main jobs that must be done first. Based on the interviews that have been conducted, employees state that the lack of responsiveness of employees is answering questions in the CISN helpdesk could cause questions to pile up and the response timing was not fast. Based on the results of previous research conducted by Putra 2021, it was found that responsibility has a significant effect on community satisfaction, so that it can be said that increasing public satisfaction, one must pay attention to responsibility. The higher the responsibility given, the higher the level of community satisfaction. Next, conclusion. The implementation of the CSN helpdesk service is quite optimal. This can be seen from the socialization of services and usage procedures that have been going well. Socialization continues to be pursued so that users are aware of the existence of the CSN helpdesk service, which is useful for submitting questions or problems encountered related to the ISN information system. The use of the CSN helpdesk service system or website is running well. There are no complaints from both the provider and the service user. Apart from that, the appearance or user interface and features of the CSN helpdesk service are quite good. Regarding the features of the helpdesk service, it is also easy to use. In practice, there are still obstacles in service delivery, namely the lack of responsiveness or responsibility of service providers in answering questions. And this is all about my presentation about my thesis. Thank you for your attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.